Guys, let's box up Poco M3 with 6000 mAh battery, made in India phone. Looks very good. Here we go, Poco M3, black color, very elegant. You can see the Poco M3 cameras, 3 cameras are given. Let's find out what else there in the box. This is the fast charging charger. And this is the cable. No other accessory is given with this Poco M3, only charger and the phone. But you can see by the look of Poco M3, it looks very good phone, and the back cover is very good. It's not made up of glass. That's it. In this phone, 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. It cost 11,999 only. And the cover, transparent cover, also is given with it. First, let's start.
So this is the home screen of Poco M3. Seems very good, lots of applications, and the color combination seems perfect. This is the inbuilt application within the phone. So what is your opinion about this phone?
It is very good phone in this price range. In 12,000 you are getting 6GB RAM with 128 internal memory.
128 GB.
Yeah, 128 GB internal memory.
That's huge.
Yeah, and it is having 48 megapixel of back camera. It comprises 3 cameras behind. I don't know actually each camera specification.
You can check camera.
Yeah.
So how's the first photograph on this? Seems good.
Seems
but
okay.
But not very expressive. Few pixels are visible, but overall very good. So thank you very much, Caillou, for giving this nice pose. Give me the key, please. Give me, please. Thank you. So this was the closing ceremony of Oppo M3, and this seems good phone. Let me use, and then we'll give you more information regarding this. Thank you. Good day.